Indian Railway in New India is undergoing a rapid transformation, and DFCCIL is the cornerstone of this change. DFC is revolutionizing freight transportation with the eastern and western dedicated freight corridors spanning across 7 states, namely Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra. The project aims to enhance transport efficiency and build seamless logistics chains while alleviating pressure on passenger routes. It is India's largest rail infra project since independence and required land acquisition of 11,000 hectares, which is equivalent to the length of 22,000 football fields. Over 900 level crossings were replaced by ROBs and RUBs for this project. Over 5,000 bridges were built over rivers like Yamuna, Narmada and Son, and 53 rail flyovers were constructed to offer an unhindered path to freight movement. With the commissioning of 2,741-kilometer DFC route, the 96.4% of the DFC network is now operational. The Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor (EDFC) between Ludhiana and Son Nagar and Western Dedicated Freight Corridor (WDFC) from Dadri to Mumbai are connecting our key industrial centers with domestic and international markets. State-of-the-art operation control centers in Prayagraj and Ahmedabad are monitoring 500+ trains in real time on a daily basis, ensuring safety and punctuality.
फ्रेट कॉरिडोर के इस प्रोजेक्ट को 21वीं सदी में भारत के लिए गेम चेंजर के रूप में देखा जा रहा है.
DFC aims to increase the rail share in freight transport and reduce logistics costs. Faster long-haul trains with double-stacked containers are boosting carrying capacity and reducing transportation costs. Due to DFC, transport time between coal fields and power stations has significantly decreased, and freight trains carrying various goods have increased manifold, thus decongesting our roads and saving fuel. Initiatives like trucks on train and speedy transportation of perishables are reducing transit damage and boosting farmers' incomes. Gati Shakti cargo terminals and multimodal logistics parks along the DFC are fostering new industrial hubs and generating employment, with nearly 4% of the length of total network of Indian Railways. Already over 10% of freight running of IR is being handled by DFC. DPRs of 3 new freight corridors, that is the East-West Corridor, North-South Corridor and East Coast Corridor, have also been prepared by DFCCIL. These corridors will be instrumental in realizing the true potential of ports of Eastern and Southern India and will usher a new round of growth in the states of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. A crisscross DFC network running across the length and breadth of the country will prove to be a harbinger of new economic opportunities. DFC prioritizes environmental sustainability, 100% track electrification, solar power usage and rainwater harvesting. It aligns with national initiatives like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, aiming for Viksit Bharat by 2047. DFC is not just redesigning our logistics landscape, but also fostering industrial growth and entrepreneurship, living up to its moniker of game changer.
I declare DFCC as the jewel of Indian Railways.
Dedicated Freight Corridor, transforming transportation.